Welcome to our channel. Before we begin, please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment on our videos. Cancer is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, and while there's no surefire way to prevent it, making healthy lifestyle choices can significantly reduce the risk. Nutrition plays a crucial role in cancer prevention, and one of the easiest ways to incorporate nutrient-dense foods into your diet is through smoothies. Smoothies are not only delicious, but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help protect your body against cancer. In this video, we will explore 5 amazing smoothie recipes specifically designed for women's health. Each recipe features ingredients known for their cancer-fighting properties, ensuring you get a powerful dose of nutrition with every sip. Let's dive in and discover how these smoothies can become a vital part of your wellness routine. The science behind cancer-preventing foods. Antioxidants and their role. Antioxidants are compounds that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to cell damage and potentially contributing to cancer development. By consuming foods rich in antioxidants, you can help neutralize free radicals and reduce the risk of cancer. Common antioxidants include vitamin C, found in citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers; vitamin E, found in nuts, seeds, and green leafy vegetables; beta-carotene, found in carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach; flavonoids, found in berries, apples, and onions; vitamins and minerals that help prevent cancer. In addition to antioxidants, certain vitamins and minerals play a vital role in cancer prevention. These nutrients support immune function, repair DNA damage, and promote healthy cell growth. Key vitamins and minerals include folate, found in leafy green vegetables, beans, and nuts; selenium, found in Brazil; nuts, seafood, and grains; zinc, found in meat, shellfish, and legumes; omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts. Superfoods known for cancer prevention. Superfoods are nutrient-dense foods that offer numerous health benefits, including cancer prevention. Incorporating these superfoods into your diet can provide you with essential nutrients that support overall health and wellness. Some superfoods known for their cancer-fighting properties include berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants and vitamins. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds provide healthy fats and protein. Citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are high in vitamin C and other antioxidants. Smoothie 1. Berry Blast Smoothie. Ingredients and their benefits. The Berry Blast Smoothie is a delicious and refreshing drink packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Berries are the star ingredients in this smoothie, offering a wealth of health benefits. Ingredients: 1 cup mixed berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries; 1 banana; 1 cup almond milk; 1 tablespoon chia seeds; 1 tablespoon honey, optional. Benefits: berries, high in antioxidants, vitamin C and K, and fiber. Banana provides potassium, vitamin B6, and natural sweetness. Almond milk, low in calories, high in vitamin E, and dairy-free. Chia seeds, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. Honey, natural sweetener with antibacterial properties. Step-by-step preparation. Wash the mixed berries thoroughly and pat them dry. Peel the banana and cut it into slices. Add the mixed berries, banana slices, almond milk, chia seeds, and honey, if using, into a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. Nutritional information: calories, approximately 250, protein, 5 grams, carbohydrates, 50 grams, fat, 6 grams, fiber, 10 grams. Variations and tips: for a thicker smoothie, add a few ice cubes or use frozen berries. Swap almond milk for any plant-based milk of your choice. Add a handful of spinach for an extra boost of greens. Smoothie 2. Green Detox Smoothie. Ingredients and their benefits. The Green Detox Smoothie is perfect for those looking to cleanse and rejuvenate their body. It's packed with leafy greens, fruits, and superfoods that aid in detoxification and provide essential nutrients. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach, 1 cup kale, 1 green apple chopped, 1 half of cucumber sliced, 1 half of lemon juiced, 1 tablespoon ginger grated, 1 cup coconut water. Benefits: spinach and kale, high in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and calcium. Green apple provides fiber, vitamins, and a crisp, tart flavor. Cucumber, hydrating and rich in vitamins. Lemon, high in vitamin C and helps detoxify the body. Ginger, anti-inflammatory and aids digestion. Coconut water, hydrating and rich in electrolytes. Step-by-step preparation. Wash the spinach, kale, green apple, and cucumber thoroughly. Chop the green apple and slice the cucumber. Add the spinach, kale, green apple, cucumber, lemon juice, grated ginger, and coconut water into a blender. Blend until smooth and well combined. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. Nutritional information. Calories, approximately 180. Protein, 3 grams. Carbohydrates, 40 grams. Fat, 1 gram. Fiber, 8 grams. Variations and tips. Add a tablespoon of flax seeds for additional fiber and omega-3s. Substitute coconut water with plain water or green tea for a different flavor. Add a handful of parsley for extra detoxifying benefits. Smoothie 3. Tropical Sunshine Smoothie. Ingredients and their benefits. The Tropical Sunshine Smoothie brings a taste of the tropics to your kitchen, packed with vibrant fruits and a creamy texture. This smoothie is not only delicious but also loaded with vitamins and minerals that support overall health. Ingredients: 1 cup pineapple chunks, 1 cup mango chunks, 1 banana, 1 cup orange juice, 1 cup Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon flax seeds. Benefits: pineapple, high in vitamin C, manganese, and bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties. Mango, rich in vitamins A and C as well as fiber. Banana provides potassium, vitamin B6, and natural sweetness. Orange juice, high in vitamin C and antioxidants. Greek yogurt provides protein, calcium, and probiotics. Flax seeds, rich in omega-3, fatty acids, fiber, and lignans, which may have cancer-fighting properties. Step-by-step preparation. Peel and chop the pineapple and mango into chunks. Peel the banana and cut it into slices. Add the pineapple chunks, mango chunks, banana slices, orange juice, Greek yogurt, and flax seeds into a blender. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. Nutritional information. Calories, approximately 300. Protein, 10 grams. Carbohydrates, 60 grams. Fat, 6 grams. Fiber, 8 grams. Variations and tips. Use coconut milk instead of Greek yogurt for a dairy-free version. Add a handful of spinach for extra greens without altering the taste. Add a handful of spinach for extra greens without altering the taste. Smoothie 4. Nutty Delight Smoothie. Ingredients and their benefits. The Nutty Delight Smoothie is a creamy, protein-packed option that's perfect for a post-workout snack or a satisfying breakfast. It's loaded with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that support overall wellness. Ingredients: 1 cup almond milk, 1 banana, 2 tablespoons almond butter, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon honey, optional, 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Benefits: almond milk, low in calories, high in vitamin E, and dairy-free. Banana provides potassium, vitamin B6, and natural sweetness. Almond butter, rich in healthy fats, protein, and vitamin E. Chia seeds, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. Honey, natural sweetener with antibacterial properties. Cinnamon, anti-inflammatory and may help regulate blood sugar levels. Step-by-step preparation. Peel the banana and cut it into slices. Add the almond milk, banana slices, almond butter, chia seeds, honey if using, and cinnamon into a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. Nutritional information. Calories, approximately 350. Protein, 10 grams. Carbohydrates, 45 grams. Fat, 15 grams. Fiber, 8 grams. Variations and tips. Substitute almond milk with any plant-based milk of your choice. Add a handful of oats for extra fiber and a thicker texture. Use peanut butter instead of almond butter for a different flavor profile. Smoothie 5. Citrus Immunity Smoothie. Ingredients and their benefits. The citrus immunity. Smoothie is bursting with tangy flavors and immune-boosting ingredients. This smoothie is perfect for keeping your immune system strong and your taste buds delighted. Ingredients: 1 orange peeled and segmented, #2 grapefruit peeled and segmented, 1 fluve lemon juiced, 1 cup pineapple chunks, 1 cup coconut water, 1 tablespoon honey, optional. Benefits: orange and grapefruit, high in vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber. Lemon provides vitamin C and helps detoxify the body. Pineapple contains vitamin C, manganese, and bromelain. Coconut water, hydrating and rich in electrolytes. Honey, natural sweetener with antibacterial properties. Step-by-step preparation. Peel and segment the orange and grapefruit. Peel and chop the pineapple into chunks. Add the orange segments, grapefruit segments, lemon juice, pineapple chunks, coconut water, and honey, if using, into a blender. Blend until smooth and well combined. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. Nutritional information. Calories: approximately 200. Protein, 2 grams. Carbohydrates, 50 grams. Fat, 1 gram. Fiber, 8 grams. Variations and tips: add a handful of spinach for extra greens. Substitute coconut water with plain water or green tea for a different flavor. Substitute coconut water with plain water or green tea for a different flavor. Integrating smoothies into your daily routine. Best times to consume smoothies. Smoothies can be enjoyed at any time of the day, but there are certain times when they can be particularly beneficial. Breakfast. A smoothie makes for a quick, nutritious, and energizing start to your day. Post-workout. After exercise, a smoothie can help replenish nutrients and aid in muscle recovery. Afternoon snack. A smoothie can provide a healthy boost of energy during the afternoon slump. Tips for meal prepping smoothies. Meal prepping smoothies can save time and ensure you always have a healthy option available. Here are some tips for effective smoothie meal prepping. Pre-portion ingredients. Chop and portion your smoothie ingredients ahead of time. Store them in freezer bags or containers. Freeze ingredients. Freezing fruits and vegetables helps retain their nutrients and makes smoothies extra cold and refreshing. Use frozen greens. Spinach, kale, and other greens can be frozen for easy use in smoothies. Make smoothie packs. Combine all the ingredients for a single smoothie into one bag or container. In the morning, just dump the contents into a blender and add liquid. How to customize smoothies to your taste. Smoothies are highly customizable, allowing you to adjust ingredients based on your preferences and dietary needs. Here are some ideas for customization. Sweetness. Add honey, maple syrup, or dates for extra sweetness. Texture. Adjust the thickness by adding more or less liquid. Use frozen fruits for a thicker texture. Protein. Add protein powder, Greek yogurt, or nut butter to boost protein content. Fiber. Include chia seeds, flax seeds, or oats for added fiber. Flavor. Experiment with different herbs and spices like mint, basil, or cinnamon to enhance the flavor. Conclusion. Incorporating these 5 cancer-preventing smoothies into your diet can provide you with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and delicious flavors. By regularly consuming these smoothies, you can support your overall health, boost your immune system, and reduce the risk of cancer. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is about consistency and making nutritious choices every day. Start blending and enjoy the benefits of these powerful smoothies. If you enjoyed our video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also check out our other videos for more health and wellness tips and tricks to being the best version of you.